From high above the industrial landscape, scale speaks first. This is not just a factory. It is a carefully engineered ecosystem, built to run without pause, day after day, night after night. Colgate's manufacturing complex spreads across the ground like a small city. Roads, warehouses, and production halls connect seamlessly, each one supporting a process relied upon by billions of people around the world. At ground level, the human element enters the frame. Workers arrive calmly, dressed in clean, branded uniforms. Inside these walls, hygiene is law and discipline is culture. Before toothpaste is ever made, standards are set. Beyond the entrance, raw materials are received in immense quantities. Towering silos and stainless steel pipelines dominate the interior space. Automation controls movement, while humans oversee balance and safety. This is where consistency is born. Ingredients are stored separately, each under constant digital surveillance. Temperature, humidity, and volume are measured continuously. Nothing is rushed. Nothing is mixed before its moment arrives. Deep inside the factory, enormous mixing tanks begin their work. Here, the toothpaste base takes shape. A smooth white paste forms slowly, blended with care. Sensors monitor texture, thickness, and stability, adjusting the process in real time. Elsewhere, color is being prepared. Red and blue gels are mixed in sealed systems, isolated from the base. Each color has its own path, its own pressure, its own timing. Even the smallest imbalance could disrupt what comes next. Pipelines carrying white paste and colored gels begin to converge. This is a critical transition. From this point forward, precision becomes absolute. Meanwhile, thousands of empty toothpaste tubes arrive at the factory floor. They move upright, evenly spaced, perfectly aligned. Every tube must reach the filling station at exactly the right moment. Speed matters, but timing matters more. Inside the tube preparation hall, scale once again takes over. Conveyor lines stretch far into the distance, carrying endless rows of identical containers. Machines handle motion. Humans handle judgment. From the side, the movement becomes hypnotic. Tube after tube advances in flawless rhythm. This repetition is essential because the next stage allows no error. The toothpaste base begins its journey through thick stainless steel pipes. Valves open and close with calculated precision. Nothing flows freely here. Everything is controlled. Along separate paths, the colored gels follow. Their consistency is checked repeatedly. Color intensity, viscosity, and temperature must align perfectly, because stripes are not added later. This is the stripe injection zone, the heart of the mystery. Rows of precision nozzles hover above the moving tubes. These devices are engineered to do something deceptively complex. Up close, the secret is revealed. Inside each injector, multiple internal channels guide different materials simultaneously. White paste forms the body. Colored gel forms the signature pattern. The stripes form naturally inside the tube, shaped by pressure, timing, and motion. There is no painting, no surface decoration. The stripes are built from within. From above, the scene is almost surreal. Thousands of tubes fill simultaneously. Inside each one, red and white patterns appear again and again, perfectly aligned. Immediately, quality systems take control. Optical scanners examine every tube as it passes. Stripe spacing, alignment, clarity. Anything imperfect is removed automatically. With stripes formed, the tubes move forward without pause. Production never stops to admire the result. There is always another step waiting. In the sealing hall, heat and pressure close each tube. Metal jaws form airtight seals in a fraction of a second. Freshness depends on this moment. So does trust. From the side, sealing appears effortless, but every closure is measured. Strength, symmetry, and integrity are verified instantly. Inspection continues. Only tubes that meet exact standards are allowed to proceed. Trimming systems refine the tube ends. Excess material is removed. Edges become smooth and uniform. Function is perfected, then appearance. Branding follows immediately. High-speed printers apply logos, product names, and instructions. Ink placement must align precisely with what lies inside the tube. Even here, timing matters. From the side, printing moves faster than the eye can follow. Yet every tube emerges identical. Automation ensures perfection at scale. Another inspection follows: color accuracy, text clarity, logo placement. Nothing escapes review. Packaging begins almost instantly. Robotic arms group tubes and place them into cartons with mechanical precision. Speed increases, but control never fades. Cartons move toward palletizing. Machines stack boxes layer by layer. In the staging hall, hundreds of finished pallets wait in perfect order. Production is complete. Now logistics takes over. Inside the warehouse, scale returns once more. Racks rise toward the ceiling. Forklifts move smoothly through wide lanes, guided by digital systems. Every pallet knows where it is going. From aisle to aisle, movement is constant. Human oversight ensures that automation never drifts off course. Pallets are wrapped tightly for transport. Protective film locks each load in place. Stability now matters more than speed. Routing systems decide each pallet's destination. Local markets, distant countries, global supply depends on precision here as much as anywhere else. At the loading preparation hall, everything converges. Warehouse meets roadway. The final handoff approaches. Forklifts load pallets into waiting trucks. Space is maximized. Weight is balanced. Outside, trucks line up in formation. Each one carries millions of identical toothpaste tubes. What seems ordinary is the result of extraordinary coordination. Doors are closed. Seals are applied. Once locked, the journey cannot be interrupted. Final inspections take place. Documents are checked. Routes confirmed. Departure is imminent. One truck begins to move. From behind, the Colgate logo remains visible as it rolls forward. As the camera rises, the factory below comes back into view. Production continues, uninterrupted. From raw ingredients to perfect stripes. From engineering to everyday life. This is how toothpaste gets its stripes,